Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seekers. So today's video is going to feature 7 must-watch hair color transformations. So if you've been thinking of doing something different with your hair by mixing in a little bit of color, this video is for you. If you do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, options, and ideas, please be sure to give this one a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have someone dyeing their hair this really pretty teal hue. Gorgeous. And then we have someone in the salon. So she's going to be getting some hair extensions along with her color. And the results are absolutely breathtaking. Look at that. And then we have someone dyeing their hair hot pink. Now this is definitely not a color I would ever probably go with, but you know, sometimes you do want to be a little bold and go with something different, so I don't blame her. And then we have someone who decided to switch it up with the money piece highlight face framing look and undercolor trend. So pretty, loving the pops of blonde within the black. And then we have someone who definitely likes to have fun with her hair. So she is rocking like this bold pink, and she is mixing in a variety of colors here. Loving the undercut. So pretty much she decided to do like the rainbow. Very interesting color mix. Then we head back to the salon. Wow, a beautiful red color. So gorgeous. Followed by somebody else who decided to go red. Oh, she looks amazing. Look at that shade of burgundy. Wow. So it looks like we have someone who decided to do this split dye, red on one side, blue on the other. Oh wow, it's actually hot pink. Oh wow. And then we have someone who decided to get a mullet. And as you guys know, mullets are trending heavily right now. Gorgeous purple mullet. Oh, I love the way that this looks. So pretty. Definitely a bold hair color and cut combination. Beautiful pink and red with a money piece highlight look. Gorgeous blonde transformation, chunky highlights. And then we have someone with mint green hair, decided to switch it up with a little bit of blue. Oh, she's still going, so let's see what she ends up doing here. Oh, red and black. Oh, that is so cute. And I'm actually seeing a lot of red and black color combinations. This is very popular on TikTok. So then we have someone, looks like she's gonna cut her hair. Very nice. A little mid-length cut. Nothing too drastic. Beautiful bob. Bangs in the front. Looks like she also decided to dye her hair like ginger. Very nice. Oh, I hope she doesn't do anything too drastic with her hair. I really like that red color. Oh, what a nice looking salon. So she might just be getting a color touch up here, maybe. Oh, she looks like she's, oh, it looks like she went copper. Oh my gosh. Okay, I thought the red looked good before, but the copper? Wow, this is stunning. So pretty. Loving this hair change. And I am definitely a fan of copper coloring. Alright you guys, so I hope you enjoyed checking out these hair transformations. Please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.